Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to assign permission set license to the Salesforce user. So let's get started. So today I want to assign a permission set license to the user. So I know the username and the user. Okay, so I will click on this gear icon, then click on setup and I will search for users. I have the name of the user which I want to set the permission set license. So the name of the user is this one Saurabh. So I wanted to assign a permission set license to this user. So don't get confused here. I want to assign permission set license, not permission set. Okay, here you can see the permission set license. Okay, so from here also you can assign permission set license, as well as here also you can see the section permission set license assign. So click on this edit assignments, and from here you can see all the permission set license. So this is the analytics view only emit app license. Here is you can see the description of this permission set license and properties and permissions for this permission set license. Okay, so I want to assign B2B commerce permission set license to this user. So I will check this checkbox in front of B2B commerce permission set license. So this permission set license enables the permission set license for standard version of B2B commerce. Okay, so here you can see all other permission set license as per your need. Check the checkbox and assign that permission set license to the respective user. So I will click on save, and here you can see the B2B commerce permission set license get assigned to this user. If you want to remove permission set license, then click on this delete button and click on OK. So here you can see the permission set license gets removed. So in this way you can add or remove permission set license to the user. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt, do let me know by adding comment to this video. So I definitely reply you. Please subscribe my channel